Nandito ba ang taga-Piaw?
Yeah.
Please take a seat. Para mabilis po tayo, please take a seat. Yung taga-Piaw, General, if Colonel Grijaldo is making a mockery of this hearing and some police officers in collusion of Colonel Grijaldo, I will not hesitate to cite him in contempt in this committee and all those PNP officials involved to face cases doon po sa Napolcom. Kasi po, supposedly kayo po 1 month, hinayaan yung ganito. Of course, she's not absent without leave. Pero dapat naman po, you help us. You help this committee. 3 hearing wala siya, under po sa Piaw.
Thank you.
I hope you will submit those documents today. General.
If I may, sir.
Yes.
We are helping.
Sandali po. Can you submit those documents I mentioned today?
Yes, sir. We will submit po.
Or submit it today.
At yun na nga,